30 minutes drive from Nairobi city center, 40 minutes drive from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, and close to amenities such as malls, hospitals, and security. This is a project that is located along Kenyatta Road, exit 14 in Thika Road. You get to Kenyatta Road. This project is 10 minutes drive from the Kenyatta Road junction. You get to this project, and this is a 3-bedroom all-en-suite house that has an SQ, and remember, the SQ has its own washroom, a detached SQ. Yes, a very, very good house for a young family, or for a family or a person who is interested in owning a 3-bedroom house that is very, very secured in a very gated, a well gated community. Yes, so things that you get to enjoy in this house are the greenery. You can see this grass that is just surrounding the house. This is a space for your kids to play. Yes, a very, very good space for your kids, and also for you. If you want to enjoy the breeze outside, you just come here and enjoy just outside your house. Yes, this, what you see here, this is an SQ that is detached. Yes, this one is an SQ. Yes, detached from the main house, and this is suitable for your house manager or house helps or house help. Yes, this is an SQ. You can see the greenery. Yes, and remember, the work is still being done. That is why you see so many things are not in order. This is because there is some work that is still being done, and once complete, you will enjoy the view. You will enjoy the cleanliness, the cleanness from the inside and outside. Yes, let me take you to the backyard. We have this space in the backyard. This is a good space for you. Yes, I like one thing about this house is the space. Yes, these little spaces are really needed in a house, and anyone wanting to own a house consider most of the people consider having a good space where you can walk around your house, have a place to put your seat, and sit outside the house and enjoy the view. Yes, and remember, once complete, all this space will be fenced, so you will not be exposed. Yes, because of privacy. Yes, you will have a very good secured fence that will separate you from your neighbors. It also has a parking. Yes, it also has a very good parking. Let me get you inside, and once you get here, this is the main entrance with the window on the left. This is the main entrance to the living room, and here you get to the living room. Yes, this is the living room with a very good window, quite wide. Yes, to allow natural light to get in. Yes, it's a very good space. Yes, it can fit up to 9-seater couch or seat can fit here. You can see the ceiling has been done. Even the TV area, you can see it has the downlighters. Yes, I was sorry, I forgot to switch them on, but here you can see even the ceiling, the gypsum, and the floor, the gray and white tiles. Yes, and what you are overlooking here is the dining. Yes, with the sink where you get to wash your hands and enjoy that meal. Yes, so this is the living room, and the window overlooking the neighborhood and the the parking area. Yes, you can see that gypsum ceiling with the snake light shining. Yes, I switched on the downlighters in the TV room area. Yes, this is the dining and the kitchen. Yes, this is the dining and the kitchen. Let me switch on the kitchen light. They are very good and attractive. You can see even the kitchen area has the gypsum. Yes, I like the fact that this gypsum is precise. It's not complicated. It doesn't have so much detail. Precise and professionally done. You can see the space in the kitchen. Yes, with the dining and the door. This door connects you to the servant quarter. So this is the kitchen. It also has a pantry area, and this is a double sink for your utensils, where you get to wash your utensils. It has this space where you can keep your items. Yes, quite clean. Yes, the job is still, this work that is still being done. As you can see, this is why you even see the floors quite dirty, because workers are still doing their job to make sure this house is complete and ready for occupation. And remember, this is the only house that is remaining in among the 80 units. This is the only unit that is remaining. So this is the servant quarter, or the SQ. Yes, so if you have your house manager, this is where he or she sleeps. Yes, so this is the space. Yes, quite a good space. It can fit any bed. Yes, it can allow any size of the bed. The window overlooking the backyard of the house. Sorry for the quality of my picture. Yes, so it has the toilet and the bathroom together. Yes, so this is the toilet or the washroom. It's well done. It has the shower there, you can see. Yes, the tiling, the wall tiling really makes the washroom looks to look quite clean. Yes, a very good space. Yes, so a mirror will be fitted there. Yes, and that is the sink for washing your hands or brushing your teeth. Yes, so this is the backyard. And then you come to the main kitchen. See the cabinets, they are very attractive. Yes, the color gels well with the tiling and even the wall. Yes, very beautiful, looking very beautiful. Yes, these are the shelves where you can keep your kitchen items or kitchen utensils. Yes, This is where you will install your cooker, that is space specifically for your cooker. Yes, one thing I like in this kitchen is the white tiling on the wall. You can see how it makes the kitchen look very clean and very attractive, and it adds a lot of brightness. Yes, it adds a lot of brightness to the kitchen. And see, this is the pantry area where you keep your food. Yeah, this is where you keep your food stuff. Yes, very good space and clean. See that light, the tiling and the marble. Yes, so you can see there's lot of work being done. That is why you see the marbles and the dirty floor. Yes, but once done, you really like it, and I will surely bring you the final look of this house. And remember, this house goes for 10.5 million. Yes, this house goes for 10.5 million, and once you buy it, unless you add your own touch on it, but for me I think it is good and ready to be occupied. Yes, a very good house. You can see this is the bedroom number 1. Yes, all the bedrooms have their own washrooms. This is bedroom number 1. The cabin, the wardrobes. That is the wardrobe with the 2 drawers. See the wardrobes. Well fitted. Then from here through the window you are overlooking the neighborhood and the walk-through. Yes, because the walk-through is quite big, you can still park if you have your visitors or you have an event. It can be used as a parking. Yes, because it has a very good space for even your neighbor to get in or out of their homes with their cars. So this is the washroom. You can see the bulb and the shower. What do we call the shower? Yeah, the shower head. That is the sink and the toilet and the 2 taps. Yes, that is the light socket. Yes, from here I get you to the common toilet that I didn't show you. So this is the common toilet. So in short, this house has 5 toilets. Yes, inside the house there are 4, but if you add the servant quarters toilet, there are 5 toilets. Yes, 5 of them. So this is the common toilet. Cool, spacious. Yes, spacious with a very beautiful and quality door. Yes, just overlooking the living. And from here I take you to bedroom number 2. Yes, this is bedroom number 2. So I can call this kids bedroom. or a guest's bedroom, and the first one you can call it kid's bedroom. So this is, let's call this guest bedroom. Quite spacious, with a very beautiful door to the washroom. Yes, the same size, the washroom has the same size as the first bedroom washroom. Yes, a very good and manageable size. Yes, and here you're overlooking the wardrobes, clean and well fitted. Yes, for your clothes, for your suitcase, and for your shoes. Yes, so it also has a double drawer. So this is bedroom number 2. Yes, with a wooden touch, or a very good looking wooden door. And here, welcome to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. Sorry for the quality of my video, I was using my phone. Sorry for the quality of my video. So I like this light or the wall washers. They are very beautiful, and they add a beautiful look, or a beautiful feeling in this bedroom, or the master bedroom. Yes, there you are overlooking the wardrobe and the washroom. Yes, same quality of the doors, and the difference between the other bedrooms and this master is the master bedroom has double wardrobes side by side, and this is the washroom. The size of the washroom is also quite big compared to the other 2 bedrooms. So this one is quite big. Of course, the hand wash sink, and the toilet. Yes, so this is the master bedroom. You can see the wardrobe side by side. It allows the owner of the home, the lady and the man of the house, it gives them good space for their clothes. Yes, so from the master bedroom, the window is overlooking the neighborhood on the entrance side of the house. Yes, thank you very much.